Rain lashes against the window, painting the living room in shades of gray as Mirha gazes out, her boredom palpable. Hussein remains lost in the vibrant world of his video game, oblivious to Mirha's restless energy. A sudden spark of inspiration lights up Mirha's face as she seizes a large blanket with newfound purpose. Mirha drags the blanket towards the sofa. Mira's face lights up as she exclaims, "I have an idea!" Mirha and Hussein transform their living room into a playground, their laughter echoing through the house. Hussein whoops triumphantly as he slides down the makeshift blanket slide, landing with a joyful thud. "I'm the blanket slide champion," Hussein declares, his voice ringing with the thrill of victory. Drawn by the delightful commotion, their dad enters the room, a smile already playing on his lip. He pauses, watching his children's carefree play, the smile widening as warmth fills his heart. The living room becomes a haven of laughter and joy, their simple game creating a moment of pure shared happiness. Dad's eyes sparkle with playful mischief as he declares, "Let me show you how it is done." With a running start, Dad's feet thunder across the living room, building momentum for his daring stunt. He launches himself onto the blanket slide, a moment of reckless abandon filling the air. The blanket tears with a resounding rip, signaling the chaotic climax of Dad's adventure. Dad tumbles onto the floor, enveloped in cushions and laughter, the room echoing with merriment.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.